We will do here IntelligIdea community edition. Okay, we will download this. Search here, click here, and then go for second. This one here you can see this is paid version and this is free version. So I'm going for this one. Okay, just click on download. Then it will start downloading itself. In case it takes time, then you can click on this direct link. It's downloading. Now double click on this and let's start the installation. And finally it's installed. So I will run this. Now it is asking me which project, so I will click on new project. Then I will select this Java. Here you can select which version of Java you want to use. If you don't have any latest version, then you can download JDK from here also. So it will install installation. The latest, when I can open JDK, it's saying that it will install. Then next, and here it is prompting you if you want to create a project from the template. So I'm not doing that. I will create myself. Now here I will provide project name. I'll give here asoftech, then finish. Inside my project here, also message again. So inside my project here, under SRC, right click on this and new, and then Java class. Okay, I will name here hello world.java. Okay, now here I will write public static void main, and then public static void main string args. Just I'm writing here system.out println hello world. Now if you want to run this program, then just right click on this and here, okay, right click on this and click on run. You can see the output is here hello world. So as you can see, it's very easy to install and also run the Java. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.